Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 15 minutes start to finish. Chili beans con carne cheese fries. Ingredients: 200 grams per person of vegetarian baked beans. These are canned beans, fries, grated cheese, Bolognese sauce in the amount needed by you. See the recipe in a previous video. Preparation: in a pot, cook the Bolognese, insert the beans, and cook 5 minutes at low heat. Prepare fries and cook them in neutral oil. Once both preparations are ready, insert the chili beans con carne in a bowl, cover with the cheese of your choice. Do the same with the fries. Insert in the oven on grill for 5 minutes or until the cheese on those two meals get the correct melting color. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.